Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Realme GT smartphone device. So Realme GT is going to release from the Realme, which is a premium end smartphone. And in this video, I'll try to show you the design and all the specifications about this Realme GT, which got confirmed and it's going to launch very soon as well. So let's get started, friends, with this kind of video. And Realme, they are trying to launch two smartphones. One is with a Dimensity 1200 processor and another with the Snapdragon 888 processor. The Realme GT is kind of Realme GT Race edition, which has the Snapdragon 888 processor and which is going to get launched I think next month on March 4th. So I think the March 4th will be the release date for this Realme GT edition, and it is the images which they did do some this kind of cutouts as well, as you can see, for the upcoming phone from the Realme GT. So these are designed, this is how it looks, the design of this Realme GT smartphone. So the edition will be the black and the yellow color, so similar to the car edition of the GT, as you can see. So these are the design will look, and if you notice carefully on the back side, there is a 4 LED flashlight which will be present here. So quad LED flashlights going to be found on this mobile phone. And in these images, we didn't I think there are three major cameras which will be present in this phone, not the quad camera setup. So the one includes the main camera sensor, 64 megapixel lens, and another is a macro, and third is a ultra wide lens as well. So if you look at this kind of zooming into the image, you can only see the two cameras, but another one more camera, maybe it must be hidden in this black color. But overall, there is a quad LED flashlight will be present, as you can see. So these are poster where the Realme has did in the Shanghai for the release event of the Realme brand, as you can see, which says the Realme GT 5G device, as you can see here. So which is going to launch on the on March 4th, and the specifications of this phone includes the Snapdragon 888 processor and 64 megapixel lens camera, and the battery size I'm not sure, but the 12 GB of RAM, and with the storage speeds of 256 GB and UFS 3.1 and 120 Hz AMOLED panel, which is same kind of AMOLED panel which is present in the Realme X7 Pro, and with the 65 watt fast charging, which is same 65 watt present in this Realme X7 Pro as well. So there is nothing much different here apart from the Snapdragon 888 processor. So these are the few details about this Realme GT 5G edition, friends. And for more this kind of interesting reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll try to come up with new things about this Realme GT smartphone in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results and various other aspects. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.